Today is a very overcast day at the beach in Jamaica. This is Runaway Bay, Flavors Beach. We are at the very famous Breezes Hotel, which later became Jules Hotel. But it has been out of operation for quite some time, so it looks a little bit dilapidated. But it is quite a nice layout setup of an hotel, medium-sized hotel. So we're at Flavors Beach. The water is incredibly clear and beautiful. Very clear and beautiful. You can see the gush of waves coming in, giving us that white, suddy look, which is just incredibly beautiful. Over there is the famous Palm Beach new development, housing development, townhouses. Not my forte, but life evolves, and I guess we're seeing the evolution in our eyes.